Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare Ensure milk powder. Measure the exact scoop and water ratio listed on the can before you start. Wash hands and clean utensils thoroughly for hygiene. Add powder to water, not water to powder, then stir briskly until fully dissolved with no clumps. Cool to a safe drinking temperature and test before serving. Store unopened, cans in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. In this video, I will explain how to prepare Ensure milk powder. Start by sanitizing bottles, nipples, and spoons. Cleanliness matters. Boil water and let it cool to the package suggested temperature before mixing to ensure safety. Use measured scoops for consistent nutrition each time you prepare a feed. Mix thoroughly until smooth, then test a drop on your wrist for warmth. Dispose of any prepared milk left out beyond 2 hours. In this video, I will explain how to prepare Ensure milk powder. Carefully level each scoop and pour powder into measured water to avoid overconcentration. Stir or shake until fully dissolved, checking for lumps and a uniform texture. Cooling can be sped up with a cold water bath while stirring gently. Always recheck temperature before serving and discard any prepared milk kept at room temperature beyond 2 hours to keep feeds safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.